Expanding algebraic brackets. In this clip, we're going to talk about how you can expand brackets and simplify them. In these three examples, the first you've got a number at the front, the second you've got an x at the front, and the third you have a combination of 5x. What we're going to do here is multiply the number at the front of the bracket by each of the expressions inside the bracket. So the first thing you do is you multiply the 2 by the x, and this gives you 2x. Then you multiply the same number at the front by the second part of the bracket. Plus 3 counts as an entire number. So it's 2 multiplied by plus 3, which is plus 6. You cannot simplify this any further. In the second example, we're multiplying x by both of the items inside the bracket. First of all, x times x gives you x squared. Note how this is different to 2x. Next, you multiply the same x by the second part of the bracket. Again, we consider this as a whole. It's minus 5. So x times minus 5 is minus 5 lots of x. In the third example, we've got both numerical and algebraic parts at the front. Here you multiply 5x by the 4. The 5 and the 4 go together, so it becomes 20x. And similarly, you multiply this front part by the second part of the bracket, and we look at this as a whole, the minus 3x as a whole. So 5x times minus 3x, the 5 and the 3 go together, so that's 5 times minus 3, which is minus 15. And then the x and the x, when they get multiplied together, become x squared. The key here is to always consider the numerical parts separately and the algebraic parts separately.